Hi everyone, it's been a while since my last video, but I'm really glad to be back here with you. I've got something interesting to share today, so let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. Today we'll use some high efficient method to index our backlinks, and it's free. You don't have to pay anything. Go to this website netlify.com and then sign up. I'll use my temporary email here. Go to your email and confirm the link. Okay, it's confirmed. Now fill up this rest of the details. Now the good thing about this website is you'll get Cloud Agent, OpenAI Codex and Gemini. You have 400 credits here, so you can use it until it finish. We don't need all these things. Now what you have to do, go to ChatGPT. Doesn't matter whether it's what you call paid or free, doesn't matter. Just go to ChatGPT and generate a page there, just like a landing page, or you can add it block there and upload it here. Here's our prompt. It's done. So this is our page. Now we'll add our backlinks here. Now here's the main part, that you cannot add here links in bulk. Okay, don't add 100, 200, 500 backlinks, because if you do that, surely Google gonna remove your URL from search results. To avoid that, what you do, use websites like Google Group and add your backlinks there, and use that Google Group link here. Or if you have 10, 20 backlinks or 30 backlinks, you can directly add it here. But if you have more than that, it's better to use Google Group link, because Google Group is safe and you can update your backlinks there in future. I have total 9 URLs. I'll give them a keyword link. Need 9 copies. Copy this. I'll open this in new window. Paste it here. And then go to your page. Okay, it's done. Now Go back to Netlify and upload your file from here. Now here, click this, rename and deploy. Okay, our page is here. I'll open this. You can see it's working and my links are here. Now I wanna edit this name. For that, I'll go to project configuration and then change project name. SEO current not available. Okay, save. So this is our updated link. Now once it's done, now in next step what you have to do, go to your search console and then add properties, add your link here and then continue. Now copy this HTML tag, go to Netlify and then here go to project configuration. Under that, go to continuous deployment and here go to this section, snippet injection, add snippet and paste your, you have to choose here insert before head and then give it a name, save, and now go to search console and verify. Okay, our ownership is verified now. Once you paste your code here, wait for a couple of minutes and then verify it from search console and then you'll get this ownership verified message. Now go to property, got it. Now here you don't have to add your sitemap or anything, just add your page address. You can see our URL is active. You can see it's already indexed in Google. Let me check again. It's working. You cannot see this page in Google, might take couple of days and after that you'll see this URL in search result. But if you see that quota exceeded pop-up message, don't worry, just leave it and check after couple of hours. You will get this message that your URL is already indexed in Google. So this is the first way how you can index your backlinks for free. Now we'll discuss about our second method. Now our next website is this one, hotglue.me, and then register. Fill up these details. You can see here, this is our final URL. Okay. Now go to your email and confirm the link. Log in from here. So this is our dashboard. Now open this link. Create. And then click here. Now this is our empty page. If you click anywhere, left click, you will see this option. Click on this and let's make it bigger. Add your text here. You can change the color. I'll change it to white. And now add your blog post and then add your URLs together. Okay. Okay, now we'll add our backlinks and paste it here. That's it. Now click somewhere outside. These are links. Now if you go outside somewhere here and double click, you'll get the option to change your page title, color, and adding images, etc. Now let's check somewhere else. These are backlinks and they are Dofollow. Now our next method is to connect this page to our search console. For that, you click here, double click, and then go here, go to this icon, and same like previously I said, go to your search console, add your website there, and copy the code from there and paste it here and save it. Let's do that. Add property, paste your page link here, continue. Copy your HTML tag, go to your page and paste it here and save. Here's our HTML tag. Let's verify. Okay, it's verified. Go to our properties. Now add your page here and submit it. Okay, indexing requested, and after 1 or 2 hours later it will be indexed. So this is how you can use these websites to index your backlinks for free. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. In our next video, we'll bring some more tips about SEO, backlinks and indexing. Till then, see you and take care.